But see, be careful if sin is still clinging on in your thoughts, in your wants and desires, in your actions. You can hide it from others, but you may not hide it from the Lord. You cannot hide from Him. Therefore, seek yourself. Because you are receiving the love of the Lord in your life, receiving His mercy in your life, and your repentance is your acceptance of the love of God. Because God so loved us, and His love changed.